Okay, let me bring you along to this live unboxing. Yeah, just got this sent to me from Autool. Yeah, shout out to people at Autool. You know who you are, Kiki, Amelia, and the rest of the guys. Yeah, so as I said, man, this is the CT500. The injector cleaning machine is also a tester. So as I said, man, let me just show you what it's about, right? Yeah, shout out to the delivery people also. They got this package straight to me real quick. So as I said, let's get right to the unboxing. Alright, so we're gonna do a live unboxing. Just got this from Autool. Right, they sent it direct to me. Took advantage of it. They had a special going on where you trade in your let's say you trade in your injector machine and you get the CT500. So I took advantage of that, right? Direct to me, and let's see how it looks. So as I said, live unboxing that we're doing right now. Right, let's set it up this way. So we, in the box, we got one of their manuals. Most likely the manual and a cert, then you know that all as well. And plus you know, tend to get a lot of stuff from Autool, you know, that's my peoples. I got that, get a certification saying that all is well. I also got the manual, right, written in English, and it also, it's all in English. Alright, cool. Normally, you know, they do half English, half Chinese, which is still cool, right? What else do we get with this? So we got the adapters for the unit. Like if you, I'm trying to open this up real quick. Alright, so we get like all the fittings, the electrical cable, right? The adapters for the different various type of injectors you will be, you know, using, right? Most of them comes with these kits, but as I said, it's real cool. You can probably use this for testing other injectors like outside of the machine, and this is just the brackets to hold down the injectors. What else we have here? So we got 6 of these, right? Because the CT500 is a 6 injector cleaner machine, right? I got a little funnel, right, to pour my stuff into the machine. So this is the hose. Open this up. It was protected real good, man. Alright, so foam. Alright, so this is the machine right here. So let me just put it up on the desk and you can get a better look at it. Right, so as I said, this is CT500. This is GDI injector cleaner machine, right? As I said, the reason I got my hands on it because it can do GDI. It can do various types of injectors other than the normal sequential type injectors, which I really needed. They come with a bar. These bars to hold the injectors in place. Right, let's take this off. Yeah, so like I was saying, right, it come with the bar with the 6 ports, right? So if I'm using on like a 4 liter, I'll have to blank off 2 of these ports, right? It goes like right on this top of here, right? We also have this bar where you put on top of this area here to keep the, you know, the injectors in place. Right, so you got some like various types of adapters, right? Some O-rings, right? I believe got one missing here, but this is for BMW. But I noticed that it went behind here probably when, you know, it was being packaged or shipped, right? It slipped to the back, right? So as I said, it comes with these adapters and different types of fittings, right? So you gotta do is take this and screw this down, depending on the length of the setup, right? You put the injectors here. I wonder if I got some old injectors somewhere. Let's see if I got some old injectors. Alright, so what I'll have to do is take the injector, find the adapter that works with this injector, right? Set it up, plug it in like that, right? Screw this onto the rail and basically line up like that, right? Let's put the light on. Alright, so that's the light. It's a color screen, right? You can change the volts from like normal vehicle, it'll be a 12 volt, right? 70 volt will be like, let's say GDI, and 120 might be between 70 to 120 by be for GDI, right? Because as I said, different injectors will use different voltage to pulse, right? So this is the cable that comes with it. Yeah, so the reason why I went after this, as I said, man, because I wanted the GDI capability, right? Where my other cleaner machines, injector machines, didn't have that function, right? I said you get the various types fittings in here, right? You got the blanks, you get some O-rings. I believe some of the stuff fell behind when they were shipping, so see if I could get this drawer out and see if I can retrieve some of these items that's be in there. Yeah, like for instance, here's an O-ring. Alright, so don't panic and think, well, they left things out. It's just sometimes, you know, the way they handle stuff, these little things can, you know, go in some places. So I just gotta retrieve the rest of them from behind here. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, but it can be done. I'll figure it out. Right, right, so one of my mistakes I used to make when it comes to these machines was using the wrong cleaner, right? So when I'm testing, I go after like industrial alcohol or medical alcohol, and when you're cleaning, you can do anything from mineral spirits or, you know, anything around that you can use. Try not to use those corrosive type, you know, injector cleaner machine. It would tend to mess up the pump. As being this it's a normal pump, right? But you don't want to mess it up because those things are highly corrosive. So yeah, should I set up to do a test? Could. Let's see. I can, right? But I mean, I gotta go and get some cleaner and stuff like that. Alright, we're not gonna go through all that, right? So I can, well, I like also too, you have a color screen, right? Not the black and white screen. You can change the pulse width, right? You can go from, it's 16 different types. You hear me pressing that, it's 16 types sections. This tells me the software if I want to change English, whatever language you want to, right? 15 is, was this continuous injection, 12 volts, pulse width. What's this one? That's if I want to increase the pulse width. If I don't want to just take it apart, I can just do it directly to the vehicle. Just a reverse flushing. That means I can take this up and put it upside down and probably get an adapter or something like that to, you know, flush it backwards to clean the strainer. What else we got here? We got high speeds, we got low speed, you know, medium. We could check for leaks, like I can pulse it up and pressure it up, I mean, and see if the injector is leaking. It causes you to have like a rich command. What else we can do here, right? Right, so as I said, you get this funnel, right? So what you gotta do is lock this tab like this, and to fill it up, and you just put this little funnel there, and you just pour your cleaner. Well, I'm just using this as demonstration. You just pour your cleaner like that, and you fill it up. Right? When you fill it up, matter of fact, you gotta open it. Sorry, you gotta keep that open. When you fill it up, right, you have a level on this side where it tells you like the minimum and the max range you can go up to. When you finish, fill it up with your cleaner, lock this off. Then you can do all your tests and measure everything out. Other than that, it look like a nice build. I like the backlight in the background. It's not too bright where it's like, you know, messing up my camera. If I do have to take some shots or pictures or try to make a video. What else? Oh, on top it have the cleaning area. It's large enough to put a few injectors, right? like this, or if you want, you can press it on this little holder, right? And when you do that, you just rest it like this, right? And you can power it up via the adapters. So you take these adapters, put it like this, right? And then you can power up your injector, and what you can do is go in the settings for cleaning, right? And that send power to this while you're cleaning, so it opens and closes and get all that particles to come out of the injectors, right? If you want to drain the, let's do this out. If you want to, when you want to drain the unit, all right, there's two types of drain, right? This one here is where you drain from the reservoir. You drain out all your, you just, you know, bend it down gently, don't damage the hose, and you just drain out all your chemicals, right? And you just simply put it back like that, right? Probably just open this up a little bit, and then you got a plug to drain in the back. I gotta check the box and see if I get the adapter. I'm not seeing the adapter for this plug, so I'm gonna make note to Autool. So I'll make note to Autool that they didn't send my adapter. So now I gotta get a fitting to plug and what you call it. I gotta get a fitting, and I gotta get something to, you know, be able to drain my chemical out of my ultrasonic area. Right, and yeah, that's it really in a nutshell. Like I said, they send these bars, extra bars. I'm not sure why. Is it for different layers? I don't know. I'm not sure. Right, but it looks like a cool tool. I'll definitely do an update, let you know how it goes. Right, and we could take it from there. You know, I'm seeing that it got some screws on the side. You don't gotta mess with that. You just gotta basically just set it up, right? And then this piece goes in here like this, and you open this up, slip this on like this, and you put this on here, and then you just tighten it back off. Right? When you tighten it off, the injectors are there. You move this, and you make sure that they are level. Alright, you can do it like that. And probably could use the extra lock on top. It's up to you. Or what I would do is take it all the way off. Depending on the size of the injector, right? You take this all the way off like this. Make sure this is secured. On my old machine, one time I didn't have it secured and it blew out on me. The pressure, right? So you just back this off. And once we get that off, we can rest it like this. As I said, you will have the adapter for the injector onto the, where is that injector? I threw it somewhere. Okay, right, so as I said, you have the adapter, right? You just screw that on and you rest that on top there, right? And you just screw this back on and you then hook up your power to the injector, and that should be it. Alright, so yeah, so it's nothing you know, new to me, but as I said, I needed it because of the GDI capabilities, and actually like that is like all in one. Right, so I hope you like this unboxing, right? I'm definitely gonna use this tool. Yeah, definitely gonna use it because of late I'm seeing a lot of GDI injector faults, and guys is just, you know, throwing injectors at cars, and these injectors, especially GDI injectors, are very costly compared to the normal injectors, right? So at least I can test them, and I can also clean them, you know, and let the client know that, you know, all is well, or if they really need to replace the injectors. And yeah, that should be it. So I hope you like what you saw. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, notification bell. Until next time, take it easy. If you want to see more unboxing, you know, leave a comment down in the box. And till next time, later.